We spent $115,000 here in the city of San Jose to turn this home into what it is today. And today I'm going to give you the insight as to how we break down those costs. And you can see that it's a lot more affordable than you think to make this property go from where it was, and you're going to see that here in the background, what it used to look like into what it is today. So come along with me. I'm taking you on a special tour, and I'm going to break down all these costs for you. So let's start right outside. Let's go from the landscaping. Here we spent $10,000 here in the front and the backyard to make this home look the way it is right now. So we had to do a lot of cleanup. You'll see the old video right here playing next to me while I show you the home. So this was $10,000, getting rid of a lot of overgrown trees and making this landscape look the way it is. We painted the house for $3,800. That's the cost to paint, labor and material. So everything I'm going to quote you today is labor and material. So don't think, oh, that's just for that, this. No, it's all inclusive. Let's go inside and let me show you what we did in here. There's nothing in here, guys, that is what it was. So starting with painting this house inside, labor material, $3,500. We have the recessed lights in this house. We spent $4,800 to do all of the recessed lights in this house. Breaks down to about $150,000 a can, all labor included, okay? Then what we did is this house used to have all brick here. We got rid of the fireplace and we decided to go electric because people like to use something that's on and off switch, nice and easy. So this was a $3,000 job to get rid of the old fireplace and putting a nice new fireplace. And guess what? That fireplace was $1,200. So a lot of that was labor, but we had a lot of brick to get rid of, patching all that up. And now let's go here to the main event here. Everyone loved this kitchen. This kitchen, guys, we had to demo out the old kitchen. We had to fix all the plumbing because there was a lot of plumbing issues. But this kitchen was $25,000 all in. $25,000 to get yourself an island, all this cabinetry, everything done. Super worth it because this is why we got what we got on this house. I'm going to share with you at the end of this video what this home sold for, what it would have sold for had we done nothing. So let's keep going throughout the house, and then I will tell you all of that information. So come check out this bathroom in here. This bathroom in this hallway was $11,000, guys. And we did everything. We gutted this. There was a lot of work that needed to be done. We repaired plumbing, dry rot wood that was under here. You have quartz walls, all new glass enclosure, three different outlets for water to shower in. We have new cabinetry, new fixtures, lights, new exhaust fan. All of this $11,000. I think it's a fantastic deal. We did all new closet doors throughout the house, all new enclosures for the doorways. All of that stuff, guys, was $4,500. Totally worth it. We have all new dual pane windows from Milgard. All of that stuff was $10,000 all in labor and material. We have here the master bathroom, which is smaller than the hallway bathroom, so it costs $10,000. But it's basically the same kind of design. We got all that done for $10,000. So let's look at the flooring here, guys. This is a luxury plank vinyl flooring. The whole house cost $16,000 to put in, and we have it running throughout the whole house. And the nice thing about this flooring is that it's waterproof. So the labor and material was about $16,000. So I'm rounding up, I'm rounding down a little bit on all of these expenses, but it's basically what it is, whether it's $16,200 or whatever, let's call it $16,000. So I'm giving you a good amount of idea as to what these things really cost. Let me show you the backyard. This is, again, all inclusive of that $10,000. We had to level out all of this space here. We had to level out all of this area because it was overgrown. You'll probably see some of the video right now playing as to what it looked like before. But we wanted to make it look like an inviting place. And this right here, guys, cost about $10,000 front and back. And then let me take you guys back inside to kind of give you the final reveal. So when I first met with my client, this house, I told them, probably won't sell for more than about $1 million. $1 million to $1.05 million in the condition that it was, because people tend to think that things cost more than they do. It would have been a very overwhelming project for a first-time buyer. And this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, but it's your typical first-time buyer home. So I think that would have been a scenario that would have overwhelmed, and I think we would have gotten a really low number. Now that we're pending, let me share with you how much this home sold for. This house sold for $1,390,000. Can you believe that? So we're talking going from $1 million to almost $1.4 million. That's almost a $400,000 gap. And we spent $115,000. So is it worth it to invest in your property before selling? Absolutely. And that's what we're here to do. So if this interests you, or you know somebody that may be interested in selling their home, but they don't have it, we also offer, we will pay for this upfront for you. We will finance the project. We can sit down and discuss the details, but at zero cost. We get reimbursed at the end. We will do this project for you and get reimbursed at closing. But we can talk about all those details later, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I shared it with you because I know that you guys are curious about what this kind of stuff what goes on in this kind of process. So thanks for watching this video, and I will see you on the next project.